control el gira del December el tema de holidays and we have so much to be thankful for. El gira del mrenga sula Dios control kada kira amal trabajo le ungil blue el betoga te alra al sel kira abud al blue man kada mrenga sula Dios direct el holiday season se normal mrenga ungil happy holidays in Marbella, especially Christmas. But most importantly is the other Christmas ka dim sada present. The important sel lungo ra tu tang klat hidro se sel got klol gift el gida amna receiving a Jesus ni amna blo adam sel el kier de gaulo bangalela mo ya ruba kaltio som as we celebrate the holiday season and spending time with families, I know lo asa kada maybe that time kada amo celebrate so other mo miss dolito asa dolmol mal do it responsibly be safe but at the same time it is family time, spend time with families so imnesokal duli segi de direkal so other mo tel mal mosus ray bedul maraklay marugul belaw bilong ebiraklay mar masil belaw president ra senate marugul senators speaker marugul delegates governors legislators speakers mar pekal other belaw ngara blur ayangal mor hot charigi mangara kra blur belala elal sils gida manal tatra tu taw toga ragaro silgester ngartera tu taw di let me first mrenga sula media al artiang we want to thank them for being here ma ngari our minister selo mangetara tuta the minister Chengins ma minister mutu la resta ngari al sangrir mutu of island kita man molot kya vice president of course ngara albur al time of the tara understand us and that's it mangetara tuta diregal Nomtera Minister of Finance ang artia Director Egeda, Minister of State angel meredra passport us Louis ang artia and Chief of Staff. And then tigal tokol okyak sang ridela tutang artia abungedal tiga the launcher cell Palau Sports Strategy 2024 to 2034. Ma abangela president ra PNOC Frank Yota ma baklay el secretary general rigid trigal togol adra government rigidam desega it's about partnership magmal narudon mesa senator Tapsung lo abangela al tutao diregal governor Paloy Nomtera Governors Association lo abangela governor ni raget tiga ngiraget ngirate ser rusto ay mal marudan meste ngartial support diregan mesa Noel ra ngirat mapa speaker ablura ngaram Noel diregal lobangget delegate tele ra malgayo mal tuta malu ma ara dala pieno sila bugedre la mo meseng en artiang tiga di leitor ni kalkeni leitor Moses ma a leitor ni oime a delegate electir oime Marcy Kenny gada kam leitor be agadita mo ba yung title ba ne malungil tuto de gidam de la sea sports amal al cloud tutrel el mergida radar belaleng sel talbodoring sa talk show qadim sa 1969 frank di gumra lo asetial strategy gida al mutum lisir gida mudanakla 1969 ele gumra lo we need to invest in our children, we need to give them opportunities so that they can truly achieve full البوتنشال كتير سكده أقول كده عشان صاد المستر أنا كده المرال المورسل قطر كروة so it has to be thriving and yeah 10-year strategy you know it's sports أول شيء كده teamwork it teaches us to be healthy it teaches us to work together من incluso tutela adolescera programma كده السلا أبلور بيلاو مستريان كده a hope and opportunity for the future mo pay ng tele pay sa tele la president Kyoto mo ora mo briefing no ay sige tel strategy rigid mo tel ngara leather rogo er other belo ne malu tel tiyo talba kas dapat set eta omrole ngal girel waisi ngede di tal maraelo
Presidente Ramam Sulang marimututan merkau. Minister Sarau ma.
mga may gad
Chief of Staff Rau ma. Igal matqod الربول تاع البلو ما المسابير اللوبن جيم وسوي لا Palau National Olympic كميل قلت مكلي تاع السبورت ستراتيجي كده كان برامج الرخ sel mo missing ana gel kalol maltangal anin sel community and grassroots participation physical education and school sports more sel high performance and pathways events ma workforce ma coordination el altame Mr. President agi mal ngalo mer seguir the high performance and pathways for our athletes ko mo missing ana gel effort seguir titiar ngel mo gel high performance training wal multo gel partnership with robon tiradra Taiwan el timing gi mengat tim raya kilo ban mora apura Taiwan marsek mederung del buil emel me betal Pacific mini games then that's the only way for us mo sabedel compete at a higher level it really fulfill agel outcomes agel sports strategy blagut mokle baral betuling ding sel target كده سوادا أربيكلا رابلور بلا مكلوب يغري سال مرديل ياسمر بودل مو البول بتاع سبورتس لين دي ديل واجل بلام دول ترى تمغلو شغل ما بلاغرين الجيد ما ديك التول تاع الكولو لين قال اف ران مكلو هيلثي برودكتيف سيريسن رابلو ديك الوكو مقباي واجل cook effort to other public health regid la tora NCD. So sports is sort of all encompassing el strategy sebel mal contribute ra close el ngaran maurior el mora ablur belau maulgulu lela other belau maklari. So magimal merenga sulem e direct el man merenga sular rubul belau ma association governors association speakers Direk mal tokunil omrengan saul kama mamora senator sungino madrek el delegate yutaka gibon chichunyo direk guk ngara olbiak rural mal kadrada gagid program regid sel guk le ver madame ga kaungel blol motovidat tingemeng agi blol mal udang ali segid rul to swam mal brenga sulem mar bekla El alcilse presidente el December 11, mam de la 200 days. Opening ceremony au mura June 29. So agilu meeting en nilo mongela au guardeo aktek me inviting on simbo al minga presidente tia launch. Ila au kale bebir al sul. Ding segide meeting lo mama yul pentrar be kladem lo otro klagel google uriol medel. Agilu gi mo mot bokle. Digi optimistic lo asi by February and March en mamo giren gat mok lagi de rogu e margo kita nargeda moriate elir el mamo sois bregal pasior gite undor era el mitri galado mal brenga sulem el seguido clol ngeso la do del bil sa organizing que minim tam gat mok legal urior de que brenga sular bekla mal ko tu se trol bela se la ka on dak mama la community dak mama y mal brenga saula Aurela mara aurela da National Olympic que miria malmol len agi umrar wasen Klow ngara direct mak klow kat makli rak langara angal saan mau ng dil pela mau gulurelo ka sports men klow la diktu ke gidi Mr. Presidenta comme lei introduce la Secretary General gidi la National Olympic Committee baklay tamil ma suffering lo bangel ma sumanganya komakail gel gukti to chomin mo mengel gel tial sports strategy gid malu gukti ura National Olympic Committee gid sba amalongel amam sulang
내가 더 편하게라 이들 게로 라 ano tamsam mas imran
Chairman ko di so mo wasing ra Chairman kyo tang ko aso di mom dingel wasing ra tial timra tial Pacific Mini Games if there is sel ko wal motor tial Pacific Mini Games so lang
I see sel timer tial claimra tahia yora dim sama adilu sa empowering unity lalu smi seguir el sel uldakan rengra mong atatakin sa edugut mokla maklo diwat kayo dilia presidente gidel talomrael tapatasid taomro ledam giomrar seguir el toime ese basically cultural value kita ada belau course transparent legal baby rapelu sige to kami kasi empowering unity ese ngari temlaring tigal ngalge dem lora akan test miru se logo they came up with a really good one Mr. President you should see that video magimo providing in mera media mo kung sang mal small dagger rogul tenting ta logo urangali sel mark pelaw ma ipenar kini yo si sin mega baby
Comme le mention ko siya ngarinya pati may akyu matayo ngarinya currently ngara training alo ba ngarinya ko na al ngaringil for moment tayo gale ko sa mira tele games ma rest tayo gale mission na pero si
Surah malungi kene ngok le altameng arbuiga undo tige gidel el momray na sumong ama motorwok tige gidel buiglo si siwa amo tuob del mora tige gidel training el muterme ya follow up
siya gale kurang so siyang direct kal ngarinya wa component na media ngarinya na mora Budapest ma ngarinya atlet sa direct kal blo la games ayang malmol ma ya siya kadi siya ka to ko misal mo ngi
alilong ini ya Secretary General
Sulang President Mamidia ngaring ya te al for tel strategy avegal dil basanga te alela ngal gabela mutmura sports to do the best they can in the specific program but the whole of entourage of sports so kada malngat nga te president tigel ngalgedan mara Budapest tige ko kamlara youth reporters academy training for media ora international olympic committee ko kumlaring te alil mesa video tir because they're posting online with all the media access matamne recommend alwa say labolo bangela oceania team mo cover tirgal ngalgala bela ma oceania team in Budapest so two of them are there tirga gida the harness tir mura me join la media tirgal other media ko mentor tir during the mini games so on sab edal ko with the partnership rabe gida ngalgeda al maral eda ask sa media ko sa el meme dil cover tir ngangia ngungila access ra other belal murangal gel belal other media sab il masanga right other bela sorry lo mesa other belal other media dire so it's always good for us to have a media to travel with teams so gigida direct the harness rogul other media marogul other associated with the performance athlete el sabi el magalulol girel say sulang
So it's whole of community.
Of course, yeah. From parents to the community.
Yeah.
President Tadilas Tagarega, kora nato tial Palau National Sports Strategy, kora di so adal mom tinge chairman kyotal wasing ngaraigel kora funding or gamiul sab el support taigel blam dungra itself yang allocated through algut makliti ay del program.
So, Sarah, taktiyo so kallo ay sa Sarah started the consultation is the whole regional sports organization at Oceania level. I'm not magara 2023 and they have a general assembly. Yar other Australia amlelwa say they're going to invest in sports in the Pacific because of the 2032 program. The Australia hosts the 2032 Olympic Games. So as soon as we came back, agimit the ambassador was say with that support from the government side, sab amal askam gom help program set up a strategy. Then they sab LDA ka strategy gida do ngit tangra mangra. So Australia le fund themselves first the consultation, magina mitra president, mitra minister at matul, maradal, mar governors, mar trigel ne technical directors sa Palau Games, mar other olbi lagi blamited everybody. Yeri the local consultation, ma concerns are other we put it together. Yeah, other Griffith University, other Brisbane, other Griffith University based in Brisbane, nga partnership or TIRMA organizing committee at 2032 Brisbane. From the sports development sector, tigi amle help pergid, ma sports matters Australia amle help pergid the lasel development. Emitra athletes, emitra other rogo. So tell strategy amla other adifat amla mutal merit amla mesale because we have to report to them was say we want to help you in the high performance aspect. How do we realize that? So aldi malora waisara sa minister at matul obiseringi they're engaging in sports tourism. So as you know, sports tourism are developing their strategy, and this is what we want to align it with events, workforce, because it's part of harnessing that. So you get the 6 pillars agora over encompass I got role Palau Games Governors Association. How do we go to the grassroots level and really build it up? Ding tigidira kami ng asula president telling with the bilateral at Taiwan, and he also mentioned it to President several visits. So these are some opportunities that we can really harness sports. At Taiwan, they won the world championship at Yakyu, so we want to harness that. Telling they can help us in that area. So the challenge is sige the coordination, ngangira strategy coordination. How do we make sure as if PNOC is the lead agency, will help working with the ministers to align it. How do we make sure as the monitor and keep it going? So there's sustainability on it. Sports is becoming part of our national reporting indexes. It's contributing, although the president is committing $6 million into many of these programs. Ma Republic of Palau. So how do we quantify and then have indicators was it adal support, and the performance is where we expect it to be. So in the International Olympic Committee, they can help subsidize the total program at NOCs because we remember also, of course, some governmental direction. Yeah. So this one, amal meski dati al presidente lang to give it to our bilateral partners. Was say, can you help Palau in the delivery of this? We're already doing some already through the NCD funding. We are already having that in place. Through the media access, we have that in President Office. And now we're just harnessing and institutionalizing them and then getting them into a structure and self-sustainable. Yeah.
So halakuradi musese gida ablol masakada investor we need to invest in sports. Di bebira time most investment tadi kali kita ada bela amruri, ada outside amruri. Ada umnasang yun dal dibla takla do. So I think from a PNOC budget, serukti operations sertira akloludo ngani 750,000 or to the national government and more PNOC. But that's really small in comparison to Aigel provider na tele International Olympic Committee, Maigel Baby, Al Adrablulad, helper tier. So I think part of what this strategy should do is help us take ownership and also take responsibility. Malungil, we spent these last 2 years we spent maybe 1.5 almost 2 million.
Yeah.
I get the tilo from national government and more help program a PNOC.
Yeah.
Hosting the mini games, no micro games, games last year. So, ngungil, but tutoring a self development side. Akpadangin lo ase ngida Stephanie mara house adiri kandang yel ngan sela PNOC diri kanaya Utah of course ngania Senator Sungino. And I think that voice needs to be raised. I say, so where are we putting that money in to help a development side? We need coaches. We need people that help IGAL program. So we need to have budgets and we need to fund them. Deka bulugula lungila swimming pool, lungila gym, lungila ngana, ela karakot chel trainer ngaliget. Agati mo baal blabubu. So I think this is an opportunity for us to really reassess, and that's why there's a strategy. The ruler strategy, and then now get components, and I think one of those is we need to give them more funding. So definitely something that of course we have mini games this year. I'm not told up to but definitely I think for the 26 budget, let's expect to see PNOC ang muna ako mga lister tier mga mo helper tier ruler improve the program. Sula.
Malungil to tayo President Marbekla the sin sa katakorang sports. Itiyang kukura di question mo ra at CEO Frank Wabaklay Martimertir. Kumisra Abebi Rabalu, why Switzerland for example is known for tourism sa winter, tokora skiing. Kita ko para other belawa known for scuba diving. Agera ko raw se ngaring ako kora with Oswela PNOC, kora mo partnership with private sector. Ilgo kira lai gagi del adrenaline sports ra. Kita other belaw large ocean state. Mal sabi del famous for scuba diving el other belaw. And dahil nga nga president, tira kaigit sa Loral mo maklaw, and tiri ako mo open na siyabretir. Et tiri mo open na school, olsi sa akla. Rato ko ra scuba diving, all water sports, water skiing, I got rokuil ko ra adrenaline sports. Nga niya ko ra, hopefully, ko ra part ra strategy kung yun mo include, or tiagid well-known, ngilu belaw mo ra, at top of the world ra tourism, scuba diving.
Sulang, I think in those areas in Pedro Bangela Ministry of Tourism, Palau Visitors Authority, because there are some existing program where marathon that they're leading it with the athletics program. So they'll make sure nga in their participation in the regular sports program, enguk nga accessibility for other enhancement in their career development so yeah, engaging with the tourism industry, they can provide an opportunity for economic development through those kind of extreme sport. One mal mentioned is tourism, cultural component, traditional sport. Lemla mo nga highlight ang traditional sport. Spearfishing, param line fishing, sulang.
Okay, Sula. Sumungirul marala. Well, you're excused. Oh.
Yes.
Hado nga siya sing Senator delegate nga somil ko ra. Job. Okay. Dito nga siya sing mo sa ulit maralo. Yang upward. Palau Rising.
He's working with me on this. Yeah.
Pongi Bordo,
Ay,
Lector Moses. Bordo Albitara. Oy.
hindi ko may kadar piano
Hi,
si.
Steph, Mary.
Kadar piano si. Ada kamna resign.
President.
Gini, moral me. May gini me tia full team.
Oh, Barbita, wait.
Oh.
Five mo to piya ginalta.
Kaya minister mo nga.
Thank you so much, Sulan. I will go.
Mada kadalmutan mental press conference sergit kadatiw ay sir adra balulo reng silwase noringa tele del witness ra president mar adala sele Palau National Olympic Committee and le launcher sel 10-year national sports strategy ma sel koram net taligi bal breaker gi dati mil sa tele la president mang mora siya sing loban treaty kalom tera PNOC mar mga taklela ikale national ma state government na witness ertia launching ra sports strategy e gita mutul mo mulmul mertial press conference ergit budong ol yung misanga atanga kal president.
Kasi ko bambina setian nombre al Sunday. Thursday ma Friday. Sunday. No sé el visit da President Lai Cheng-ta. Nga madodongalil wasem le Vice President hablo Taiwan mnetal bel holding ergid. Isera bel holding ergid en walul mula el tablo el flight el direct flight sera hablo a Taiwan al merbelao. El no regularly scheduled. So gadamran mnet marud el no sé del welgamrin mera hablo belao. El mut el milisira del willer Rebelao Mablura Taiwan. Kidder of course, got celebrate 25 years of diplomatic relations. And Real December, and 25 years. Namo 30 years, el Dileak landing 25 years. Di ur say, in the 80s. And ya ulmul sel Taiwan Technical Mission Rablur Belao. Sem namok med la ragal el operational Rablur Belao. So, adal wilir gida ma Taiwan actually. Just was saying, era boda ilak el belu. magada maran mrenga sulir raigel betogel gagaros el nges ul tira ono seorgid from agriculture to aquaculture to infrastructure to health, education, sports, cybersecurity, and economic development. Most importantly, tourism. Kada dirigal mal mlomrenga suleleng sera September endra September mloya telegal mora blura Taiwan ngil president la amle hostergi del morsel China Taiwan International Chamber of Commerce Convention. Se yerogul Chamber of Commerce at Taiwan al ngarekla Taiwan. Tigel al other tira mora Taiwan at mite el moktegar tira se magrad encourage investment rather at Taiwan outside ra at Taiwan. Mang president la kulo iso se sa dangarsing dokora no asega dokora no tibel filgil tiling ay gamle como mat kada 12 allies el larse di forsa nga dimlang al president ngarsin di tigal ambassador sengya di promoter bela but I think what's important that we need to develop now is the private sector. Tial trip para president la mitsadra sustainable programs la umdasan goto cloud tutelel among one of the things uknosabel launch serang artiang sel digitization program rabgela olbira galulo that of course promotes efficiency, paperless e-congress, but at the same time build up a security with technology comes those cybersecurity risks. So it's really a full blown digitization program olbira galulo dirigal no sea del dirigal mangel me open tialbes el one stop shop tialbes el one stop shop Brian Ulo Iso say Melmutra al sales we're gonna spend almost $14 million at Tial Hall. So seldom mura capital etia next the biggest investment rablur Taiwan marablur belo. Magdamal mereng asuler sel partnership masel el clamaria reng artiro no se orgidra qabelment tergidle abodungil metir metamungil. It's about helping each other. Sel labira Tial one stop shop amla moria itabori ra a Taiwan. Semble gift ra president ra Taiwan al merigida mo se del mesa sel de bodo visitering. Dirigal tara amlo se del lulia amlonia joint exercise se gora amle renchu lomtriar sel Coast Guard vertir their largest Coast Guard vessel amle visiter velo. Tial adriga 1 year abon mer tial man brand new maral high tech maral lungil dial di mnesori el meuk oro matira marine law de demonstrate our rescue operations and how to do it effectively and quickly. Ida malomrar se to ase agal visits a ungil le help rida the training, but also presence is deterrence. Mangila al batoga visits tigal uk partners gidel helping preserve democracy and freedom around the world, and of course combat against IUU tigal adal di مرورا أنا على سير هذا بدل اللي نديق الريسبكت أغرينسيت. So we were saying this last Monday early en no sé del Moraquam la montrera la ministera health minister I'm sorry Ambassador Hershey Kyoto ma dirigal trial omtera veterans Mr. Greg Nirmang President Veterans Association ma Ano Bertiano, Luke Mo Mitra Ngelwal, Deputy Undersecretary Adams, Mar Adal Tia Selol Tirakarakampak within 1 year, veterans have to come up with a system and more help para Tigel veterans ang arbela and receive benefits tirmo. Tiamling important meeting, Dimlagal Dil Bela Amlo, Diragal Mania other FSM, Mar other RMI. Le tial veterans regal FAS. So it's about providing them better service. Adirigal honorary consular gidra enna Jose mandiri nos el join gidra ngara igel meeting. The meetings were productive. Gida adiri insist saying ngiril sendra adal merbelau to do a review. Of course, at least at the number of kwame na madura beklad, but they also need to come out. Ngari deadline until by December 31st. Ngari plan, of course, a March deadline like say le time le passer tella among say dressing Ahmed if especially multiple veterans that have been waiting for so long. Dirigal Southern Hotel Tial Marenga Solar Hato Bay State Conservation Officers Dirigam Lomarega a training at Tir Tiga Migarela Tiga Mle Partera Cell Program Regidra Igal Taiwan Small Grants. So important the build up our skills are important program. So congratulations and more trigal ngal tir opna complete egal training tir. Dilungile kumatel masa Minister Jengil mogadi mo update tigid egal gora I think exciting things that are happening in education, exciting programs that we should celebrate. Kita celebrate things that are happening that we see impacts. So, Minister.
Thank you, Mr. President. It's true. There's a lot of exciting things that are going on. Unfortunately, most of them you don't see, and so I thought it'd be important for you to get an idea as to some of just one little segment of what the children are going to be experiencing at the Ministry of Education in the future. Some of it is happening now. Some of it will be beginning very soon, and some will be beginning a little bit later. But important to all of this is everything which we're added and everything with all the changes we've been made, which are painful to some, but they have been made to help our children learn. That's the number one issue we have. That's the number one question we must answer. Does what we're doing help them learn? If the answer to that is yes, we proceed. If the answer is no, we won't. And so far, what we've seen in the first 3 years, 4 years now, has been a significant increase in our students' learning. And I think that's something that everybody should be very happy about and very proud of, because your children are very bright, and we were not serving them as well as we could have. So, for example, in doing a longitudinal study, in just looking at the same group of students as they go through from grade 5 to grade 11, this year's graduating class, we've seen in the last 3 years an increase in their learning as measured by the Iowa Achievement Test, which is the standardized reading test, of over 15 percentile points, meaning they have increased over 15% of the population of the test group, which is very significant. That's a good start, but we've got to continue doing that. And our programs are in place. They're going to continue. And we look as the students have gone through them, particularly the students who are now completing the kindergarten program. We're seeing through those kids a tremendous amount of learning that they have been able to get at age 5 rather than having to wait till age 6. So that's a big plus for our kids. But now I want to just give that background, but I want to really talk mostly about the high school. The high school is often overlooked in all of this. And what we've been doing with the high school is the principal and the teachers and faculty of that of school have been looking at their entire curriculum and re-rising from day one, from the day the first student enters at grade 9 until they graduate. And so far, what we've determined is we need to go, as I think for some of you, none of you are old enough to know, we're going to go back to the past, where we had a differentiated instruction for different groups of students who'd have different abilities. So, for example, we don't now require every student at the 9th grade to take algebra. It's not necessary. We had a very high failure rate at that grade. So now the students have 3 different pathways they can choose of math, some of which are business-oriented, some of which are oriented toward professionals, and some of which are oriented towards college. our goal is in the next few years, we anticipate being able to offer advanced placement courses in high school courses at our schools, which is a huge change. And it's ambitious, but I think we'll be able to do it. We just need to continue with what we're trying to achieve. So in those pathways, the students can choose whichever way they go, and there's mobility between. So, for example, if I start out learning algebra, and then later on through our diving course, I say I want to go into tourism, might not need to go into the calculus course. I might need to go into a statistics course. I can go into that strand. So you're not stuck in one forever. For right now, we have new courses that are beginning. One is music, which has been very popular, and we just received a shipment of musical instruments, which will be used in that class. So we're going to have the relationship between music and student learning is a very strong one. So we really want to emphasize this as the students go through. And we're very fortunate to have teachers who have done this pretty much on their own, developing curriculum to provide our 9th and 10th grade students this year with musical programs. And the other is another one which will begin in January is an art program. It's a studio art taught by a graphic artist, and it'll be a combination of traditional art structure plus graphic arts using our technology. And so that's I think one which is very popular, going to be very popular, and also help develop learning. These things are all designed to do that. The other is one that we just were fortunate enough to sign a memorandum of understanding with the Ministry of Cultural Affairs, that with the artifacts which have been brought back from Germany, we were able to make an arrangement where we now have some of those artifacts in our high school in our archaeology classroom. We have a new classroom started in archaeology, which is taught by a person with a PhD in that area. And we're very fortunate to have them. So that will be starting in January, and that'll be offered through the grades, I think, 9 and 10 to begin the study of that. And it's focusing on Palauan archaeology, which is a new territory in a lot of ways. Also, we also are looking at, today we have another meeting in a marine science course. Because what we're looking at is obviously with the advent of the new technology, with the Polaris group that coming out, and with Nautilus coming out, we want to be able to jump on that and learn with them. So we'll be meeting with the PICRIC representatives and hopefully be able to partner with them on this so that we can offer our students the ability to not only in the classroom, but also in the hands-on learning experience with the facilities which are becoming available to us. Those are just a few of the things which we're oriented. One more that I was lucky enough to see was we have a course not a course, a Palau High School Online, where students from Kayangal, Peleliu, Angar have the option of studying at their homes online and on their village anyway, online. And I was able to, as I walked into the classroom, I noticed on the wall there were 3 student pictures, like televisions. And those were the students who were in Peleliu and Angar who were studying that particular class. And they were able to interact freely with the teacher. The teacher was able to, in fact, even grade their paper. So to me, that was really a blessing to actually see it in progress, because it's working. It's not a static system of sit and watch the TV. They are in the classroom, and it's very, very remarkable that we've been able to do that. So those are some of the things which are going on. And I think the one thing that I have found is that the Principal Smythe, is a tremendous supporter of children. He is really on their side and strong supporter of giving them the best we can give them, and open to new ideas, as the faculty have been. They've been very open to exploring these new courses so they help the kids learn. So I just wanted to bring those up because oftentimes the only time you hear about high school is when something bad has happened. Every day there's good stuff going on at that school, every day. And not only at the Palau High School, but the private schools are also having a lot of good things. And we're learning from them, and hopefully they'll be learning from our program so we can interact more closely. I also hope that as we go through, we're able to use some of the other options, strategies with some of the professionals on island because we know we can't do everything, but we do have people here who can help us in different ways. So we have, in terms of when the question was asked about scuba diving, we have over 60 young people who have already received their open water scuba diving through their class. It's a class of the Ministry of, Tourism and Hospitality program for them. Our hope for them will be as they go through that, when they graduate, they will be fully certified and qualified to assume many positions in our hospitality industry. So those are some of the things that have been going on. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to be going, and if you're invited to, just go and listen to some of them who are going to be reading their essays. They've been doing some independent research on essays about what they see of the social issues in Palau. And I was fortunate enough to be interviewed by a couple of those groups, and it's very interesting. It's very interesting to what they see and what solutions they have in their mind. Okay? Okay, thank you.
So you said essay. Where will that be? The
Civic Center. Civic Center,
Center,
yeah.
okay.
At 9:30, I believe.
and that's tomorrow.
That'd be tomorrow, right? Yes.
Minister, you mentioned about some students who don't want to take algebra. I was just wondering, kom la masal wasin di halbol affected tiral skumeng soril malmora college and then on second one is kokoramle mention ra anggar ma kayang al sabril lobanggela sensera al sela classroom. Ang ako ra wonder was with technology nowadays ang al sugumangal gamos me ratret lal ubang chicken pox sa al in mera school ngarngi ako ra this will mo sabril online rather than coming into class you know.
Yeah. Thank you. Those are good questions. What was the first one again?
Algebra.
Algebra. I hate algebra. I hated it as a student. I hate it now. I've never used it, but other areas do use it. So what we're offering, as far as college applications go, most colleges will really only want you to go up through geometry, unless you're going into a technical field. And that would be, we plan on offering all the way up to the calculus AB, which is the AP program, which would be college credit at high school. So the slowing it down or changing the pace, I think, would be better. Is not going to, will not affect them at all.
They're still going to take algebra.
Oh yeah, they still
may
take
not
it. I'm
as a
sorry, they'll take
freshman,
algebra.
They'll take it as a sophomore.
Oh, so
Yeah, they can take it as a sophomore.
they
That
all-
won't affect them at all.
And they'll take algebra 1, algebra 2, geometry instead of having to take
okay,
calculus.
gabay na clarify.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we also want to boost our elementary programs in math. We know we're working on that right now, and so we're looking at that, being able to raise that level as they enter ninth grade. What was the second one again?
My second one was doing online at Sugumangal.
Oh, yeah. Well, we did online during COVID. I think we did a good job. But what this has showed us is that, there is a very wide variety of ways in which we can use our technology to improve student learning. For example, right now we are having trouble finding qualified teachers. Everybody knows that. But we are looking at ways of using technology to join our schools together in ways we could never do before. And that's one which we're going to be addressing throughout this course of the year to see if we can implement some of those ideas for our kids.
So just to clarify, the students that are in Angar and Kayangal actually go to school.
Yeah.
They're in the classroom at Angara Elementary School. We can say it's now Angara Elementary and High School.
High school.
Because and so there's teachers there supervising them while they're in class. Hindi ka lang siya like class tira high school. So that's the advantage of technology.
I think it's hard to understand that they're actually in the classroom. Not physically, but virtually they're there interacting with the teacher and interacting with other students, which I found very, very, very nice.
You mentioned about a lack of teacher hiring qualified teachers. Do we have a teacher shortage, and if what's being done to sort of mitigate that the lack of teachers or the lack of qualified teachers?
Well, one is to get the teachers we have in place now educated. And so right now we have a group of 20 teachers who are graduating with their degrees or their BAs in special education. They finish coursework this month and will be walking and having the graduation ceremony with PCC. That's through a program that the MOE is sponsoring with PCC through the University of Guam, where the teachers come and they teach, and there's some virtual as well. So that's one thing we're doing. We're doing the same thing for the teachers who have only high school degrees. They are now enrolled in a cohort with PCC to get up and get their secondary degrees. So we're looking at local talent. Secondly, we're looking at advertising far away, virtually on our website, the MOE website, and we're trying to attract. For example, the person who's going to be teaching the art class is from the United States, who heard about it through that, and we've hired and brought out to teach these courses. We're able to do so now because, thankfully, for the increase in the salaries, it brings us up to close. We're not there yet, but we're close to be able to say at least they're not going to starve to death. And so these are adventurous people looking to do something. The other is, of course, Peace Corps. Peace Corps, I just met yesterday. We're going to be bringing in 10 Peace Corps volunteers to help us in our reading and math projects. And these are experienced Peace Corps volunteers. They're not new. They're people who have completed 2 years, and now they opt and choose a third year to come to Palau. And we have 14 applicants for 10 positions. So I think we're in really good shape there. Oh yeah. Also, the Republic of France is also offering a volunteer program, which we just found out about recently, and so we're looking at getting some of that information to us. It's very exciting that they have. It's very very similar to a Peace Corps program, but it's in French. But the English is a language they must all speak. But there seems to be they must all have bachelor's degrees before they can enter this program. So we're going to be looking at some highly qualified people who hopefully can be coming out and helping us.
Yeah, my last, I read on the news mlamo ngaya high school ram rigel mlamo tenal high school mlamo required ngua financial literacy before they graduate. It's a requirement. And by 2031 ang amlamo 26 al high school. Manggora dimle so local kalwa singanya ko raw dasura Ministry ra Education el mosab elgut maklima katol sis akrar ngal gedara budgeting savings ma early investment because kadadi plakatakla dong the president there's people kadadi mle megekare kata apul nganyar kuk matitul budget makora dimle so kalwa singanya ko raw singela Ministry ra Education el
Yes. Yeah. In fact, this has been an ongoing project for over a year now, working with the Ministry of Finance to be actually having coursework in financial literacy taught at our junior and senior levels for the business administration portion. So when they complete that, they'll be much more well advanced. Knowing that, we also need to go into the lower levels. So we're looking at finding ways to, including financial literacy in the younger kids' age. The old days you put money in a bank and things like that.
Yeah, it's interesting lang ari otherwise debate ra PGS team
Yeah.
Arala klalo, era stoa. Well, you have a choice. Don't go there. But just so there was a used to be consumer mathematics for Palau. Tuli tele, my mother wrote the book. This is back in the 80s. But it was teaching people how to read ingredients, understand how to calculate how many ounce or how much it costs per ounce to buy this product, so you can tell, be able to budget your money but use it wisely. And I think it is important.
Yep.
I don't think that class is taught anymore, but we need to.
No, it's
probably-
not yet. It
Yeah.
dropped.
We need to update them. So, malungil suggestion, Chula.
Question. This is a question about the different pathways to math that you mentioned for algebra. You've been talking about like a teacher problem. Is it the same math teachers that are going to be teaching these different pathways, or do we need to get new teachers?
At the high school level?
Yes.
Yes, the same
The same
teachers.
teachers for all
Yeah.
of the.
What we've done is we found that we had 3 sections of algebra at the 9th grade to where the majority of students weren't doing very well. So we've divided those into 3 sections and the teachers are teaching those. Yeah. So as far as staffing changes, we're not anticipating any major staffing changes in those areas. We are really looking, hopefully, to find some higher qualified math teachers for the higher level math and also specializing teachers. We have a professor from the University of Bremen, I believe, in Germany, who's going to be coming out in January and helping teach our physics course as a volunteer. He's just coming as a volunteer. And that was also brought about by the contacts of the person who's teaching the archaeology course. So she's become a very valuable one to us.
Is the person teaching the archaeology course, are they also German?
No. He's
Oh, just-
no.
Or is Palawan?
Yeah, English.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, English.
Will the Palawan remains, they're going to be stored at the school
I'm
for
sorry.
the students?
Oh,
The artifacts?
we have a secure facility for them. So it's not all of the remains.
Yeah.
Okay, it's the shall we say not biological remains.
Okay. That's
But I've seen
Then I give-
the pottery and things along in that line.
I doli age klalo the bil figure sera lorura compact road.
okay.
Almost in the pottery, Michael Gora sera loru tel compact road dengan egel klalo the red on earth. Bagegi the gel dola bal mo part sa the program. Ya,
Yeah, we're not digging.
Di ka patingin,
I'm not sure if this is for you, maybe for Minister. Is there any Christmas plans, programs for that?
Okay, next
Kata naman
minister.
mereka algebra, halu to gora alit. 2 times yun lang President mga wak man adro koy. Mga mo ra next week ra truy me alon malgab singil. Sel Monday mo Friday. Sel annual Christmas program mo mo. Mandiwa vekel rak ngomu ra Monday mo o Friday kakarosel school makti mo mas agigil school. Masel ko tuloryo ang mo ringa performance by STA Kindergarten lomu ra elol maklok. May gidele Emmaus Kindergarten kadokor omu ra yotcheng emral mo maklolat. Ong eru lorior ang mo ringa gidele ngar along elementary school may gidele ngarard elementary school. Ya Wednesday ang mo ringa gidele KES may gidele GB Harris. Ya Thursday ang mo Malgayok elementary school may malig. Esel mo ngingil Friday amo ngatpang mang esar may gidele mang esar rasil Friday. Gidele agal program abla da kora mlornya ngil aldo lo mentira kagrosel adra school mar adra blue lo trok mo lang kukungil dungul mora koksay mora ngatpang mal kukora accessible mora adra babal daw imama den kora blo kukti ngara orior mo kulunda sa bukuk bol sabil Rababaldao may participate in the program. Ya gidele tukora olidiu la nganya mon nga bas. Hindi alsil sagi ngani sel kora final meeting el fine tune gidele kora umrule la bas ra el mora koksay. Yagi mo announce ngira tutara kluguk. Tirega president el di sinsa ko ba may kedik madek potana reporter nga adra media. soklo ring sulela Jennifer le dirikal coveringi hindi gida le sele Qantas los web kara el al nombre kal sabadong swakal isik mutyang of course gel efforts President Whips di dekal stobal di modadur adara Australia mungul mur sera sabadong ang sele bakal inaugural flight le 25 adar mlaringi Hindi aldado mlanya adra executives lo mangkel sales ko gil mel gil madado mo makadoy amle announce ok modo mes ra gel moral mel flight ra endra December mo January hindi moral mo muy klo interest ra adra Australia te dilul wa se gil ro gul tenamos total announce through their network ra gel el sela Qantas ese do nget mong terogil Australia se virar adan magigil messenger tir gidele tomes rangara beginning ra next year e morning sil gora wal close gora celebration di at the moment to gora dir kam goktril lol top dra ice mora rogul adra Australia legal preliminary reports al gibla mak mutirger rogul adra umul al bakal ngara Australia ma New Zealand amal excited at tagil direct flights al mergi
Emera weekend.
emera weekend direct al part tial strategy amrungi mang leng serado ba gidele New Guinea mo Nauru during the week munglo manghita trigal adal mora conference ra Australia magidale Fiji melat yang amira sabadong namoda excuse ra elwe mungidalo Hawaii sil maldi mal mora Brisbane mora Fiji o meeting al mutelmi kom sulang
Okay, namuda ka question? Oh.
That's to be celebrated mang malungil ay sa mergi de president. Nga kamaldi mo karik. Emergong nga kangartian niya territorio and everyone nga katiak atara media ngartiang. Akmalura nga suli el aldo kuktom karora economy kita kato open na dialogue with private sector. Mga kangartial private sector ako raw lureng ang sa Minister Victor lang artial direge. Dindi bus makting utiat question leko ngi kami at awuk malas sel so mi lo ngeringi. Makatakor das will kita la blue economy. Le green economy kita as you say matlong ngi sura Taiwan at TTM mergit so many years. Madirekal ABB ay gel maklol makliir wa minister ngira ay marbekal maasa. Maklong ngi son mortir. Mangkatakor ako sa atal ko comments ra blue economy. Waseng makarang atol nga sera atara aquaculture ara coastal fisheries. Material question wase Palau has strong international reputation for marine conservation. What are the government's current initiatives to ensure that business growth aligns with environmental sustainability, particularly in the emerging blue economy sector? Ngora Dios nga waseng kadamakarang yakukol nga sera blue economy businesses rar other belaw kada matingel waseng kada mal kariki kralugel aklangar hindi kada direkal suwatal kukol nga sera ay kalklangar kirtial belaw mul sabiil mo ngila livelihood certir ngari nga ko raw the fuel girel.
So, already saw the overall, but I think tila malungil question and more Minister Victor hindi po sila lang. But of course, we know lo kasi nga program rin clam hatchery, nga program rin ang la arur, nga program rin rabbit fish, nga program rin out, and we continue to develop those, and then when we want to expand. Gidam dengel wase sel parte sel blue economy ngani sel dire kalul dasol ngani ngel lu ko sel gidra shabal to do seaweed mang abay mo ngosong sel lang farmers adal mumru legal ur and then the other bigger development project gidam dengel serang aramong ngani tuna fishing fleet terbelaw igadam le igel ser sera al ultra fingerlings el mora igel dial ela igem lama da rogui. So one of the comprehensive strategies are unlocking blue Pacific or blue prosperity planner belal and rapport and helping local fishermen, local fishing companies posible export ang galire, hopefully mamara aal and then develop the hatchery and all of those things. So yeah, those are in progress. Kada mesa potential. I'm sure Minister would love to ska more detail. Hindi po sila lang, hindi. Siguro di overall, sulang.
Yan, direkal tipo sa minister yan di. So kalau kena update investigation gele security ako state so if there's any gele yung nadra found ni ladi po sa ma direkal sa investigation finance legal ko kasi kung lagi mamigil investigation.
Since hindi po sa AG, tangara ICJ, tangara Tom Terbelal Madadura Seluk supporter cell coalition of small island states. Cell wal lulto basically in summary kadol tutak raigel maklol blura blura del tira our carbon emitters and was you need to pay. Polluter needs to pay. Help them el blue are suffering the impacts of climate change. So AG is Eli, kusus nga dura Hague. So that's what it was. But maybe next sila update rin. Pero ngayon tayo na atem sila para finance.
Singa question na ako lagi dahil sa leak of confidential taxpayer information and dilo para
Different.
yeah, I see November. I see sige the question. Okay. So ever since the launch investigation, I think update from the last time with press conference so right after that thing while erul to ka dilo bral sila BRT. So the launch investigation obangel segul the consult lumangila taxpayer local legal confidential information osis ba special prosecutor mo investigate. So ever since then SP radal we've gigidal investigator al sila obis all the staff ma team na BRT has been cooperating from day one. Mga tabal wasing dikme nga SP ro gira rerel kada mo dangalia outcome say hindi kita tabadia palasir al sila obisera tax then it's a pillar of lorot tax lang idil below of maintaining confidentiality mang there's a and then oselong erul to ko kada mga tmokra revise internal security policies and make sure that tokol white nga dalutalapin again whether intentional or unintentional. That includes a security system tetelela pa via the secure file.
While I have you, pirang sukwasang nga niya sa report la impact la PST siyang natop the report alubun sa mga share ayel nga rin ang sa ko sa tel impact la especially mga
Oh, okay. Yes, I've been advised to wasing nga niya or a review, impact review lo niya project ADB. Ding tinakal publish so tinakal sa wedel I'm pretty sure lang din nga review wasing make sure information accurate and that things are so hindi kal adik medu nga mame sa edel mesang so lang.
So kadi ask one question. Tanga sel kami sa tel ICJ hearing Palau Ministry of State. Ablo ocean no segid el lo formal ngamle submitter segid tira representer tegid el hearing telfan what 2 case trigger el submitra on behalf of Palau Appeal Society the submission el mora Special Rapporteur Indigenous Rights Madera Rights of People to a Healthy Environment masadra US military environmental violations Palau. Ngani ako rakamen trakal girel sa submission.
So we live in a free and democratic country. So everybody has a right to share their opinion and say what they have to say. I guess table kanchon waseng which indigenous people kida ngartian de other bela constitution kida mal bilgatak wase other bela other mal madala lang other bela. So I'm not sure which indigenous people were not represented because we have government processes, we have EQPB, we have a process that we go through that's all governed by the indigenous people of Palatakang other bela. I don't know. Anyway, diragi sa complaint, so I'm not really sure who are they representing?
Cell research, Trigel 7 ngayas, they did brilliant research over a year.
Yeah.
And may research sa igal, tumlar igal rokul sites that are affected by militarization. So 6 different sites. Mga they did research, tumil durar atrablu, and then review tiril girela compact, obviously, kita responsibility to provide igal designated areas in Mara US, but they also have to follow environmental regulations or below. But of all the 6 sites, hindi mo follow process sa Environmental Protection Act below. So that was the complaint.
Yeah.
Sir, ako mo minister, ako babil na ramadakas sa site na ngayon. It's a 300-page document. It's more the tingil sa Rogilurior. So I think you should read that document. The extensive from the historical perspective, the extensive aldaduro matratrablu, Michael mle sorry rogu mitigation al silaud. Adigo dangalil mle parta historical mar alsel sa igit lurunya imol monument, mong loria aldadu mo mitigate betul tudir alsel offense. And the ataram le sorry murunya monkey sanctuary, magidale greenhouse, mo lebato kay adrablo le sorry, military le accommodate. And I will share mo jolly list na tara gil mo doon US military actually le exercise ay gel walu ulam rigera lor say. Sel I believe in section 106. Ngania sel partra luulam regel dimna kalolitangi taxi tumlo type tirak lagi kita luulam regel. They went a little beyond regel lu from the why say.
Yeah, I think we have to be clear. Kita ngani al-ud. So there's nothing that hasn't followed our law. Kita ngani al-ud, follow al-ud.
Why say.
Maybe ngani Allah ram regel dimna kada follow. Di tiada ram regel tiada belau. So we have a process, and we as Palauans determine what that process is. So I think same doesn't nimlakal follow Allah. Egerokul permit applications, I'll apply other below. Government bela apply. Which in there. Yeah. So I just want to make sure that we have the clear picture of what we're talking about. That we also have to be careful about that.
I'll share the report.
They have they have extensive EISs that they did for both sides. Yeah. So
I'll di mo mereka mo ngurak capital mas kami.
yeah.
Director, hindi so comment Director Ikeda.
Haladik lastly. And most importantly, tiapalwat. Malsuman sadal mare issues gida other bela gida other do first, I think. I don't know. Diaksam na sa pigalang lang aram dekal present tayel mer EQPB ma government process gida. Ingun more rapporteur UN. Akora mo si Ali kita da dongor other sina or something. You know, it almost becomes we have to be careful about what we're doing. But anyway, go ahead.
Director, ikedan di so al kamendrar adamel ako meral wasisel after selik ang mal taman namo ngilaw diore mal makloren level all color gidal follow up di so al ngartiak mula sa kumdaseng there's a big improvement rad adam di so al kamendar gara leadership arkaw President taw era da kora wrap up ang malbatak nga kaligin di so al ngaring isel chartered flight ra gel ra March masay dal go flight dal direct flight from Japan through United Airlines. So, gidapol sel da pora siya le kadapol apply visa. Sinseng mal kmesa dalong alit gid ma asyabal and lamo over 80 years. Rauri ram kamada kora di so halogel wase ngarinya al du el sabe del koram alim and di halbol require gid el blol apply visal even just to transit makatangire del apply and
No,
nagtial magudal mal
haladik so a visa issue. Same tal issue. The biggest hurdle that we have, igal passport gida iga mutal stara passport. We need new passports. And to do that, we need a $300,000 and they cost more. So these are all decisions that we have to make as policymakers. Oh, nga kita na passport.
Why say you the Korea president? Yung nga ongoing discussion no bang kila nga ba pebra ba siapal lo bang kila siapal all time lo yol gil say gid. Ma passport we need legislation for that. And we need a lot of money for that. Direct get from transition to that issue. En gingira del advice get a good baby blue get a partner. Tingari diplomatizer til was yung nga get transition and more tiang so. Odo spe legislation o spe at time girel and we ngari discussion of southern all time. Is in order for us mo transition mo kay del passport then nakadamo spare visa. We silog na present earlier. Southern visa girel.
Since ako baka Miss Louie kam kora o ay sa tetra secure ngot maulang kora mal klong lumumang gidel mo rin yala ngarang man kora mo plakatakal nga mil may
ako mister gid nga tero ko yung adital nga kada nga adar nga mau. Anyways, aging opinion na adralla and dilo ka masin dia kaklisiam mo hold the next the run of election. Magidi certify gal result sa sinama kal run off ako re o til mo wadro klimo albira kalulaw law ay certil wasem na niya tay seguida po albira kalulaw guk mo ay sa kasi kim karangling
magilala more nyan mutad thank you atang di
agidi may result sa albira kalulaw tila di til law ay sa kasi kim karang.
Monday to Wednesday.
Ano isa ko man sulang kita na sel bekal press conference and so the organizer ticket to bet sel uk tira masyori dar other vela bekal sil se to bet sil tira al sils. Mang so mo happy birthday mora Mr. Herman Rodor. Tangara minister to MHRCTD dirigal happy birthday mora Yigu Brel nga obangya dalawar office our president ma O'Brien Cleophas nga MHHS ima Desiree Ingrakli Derek Adalbay Sierra Emmanuel tigal tewang nga MHHS October Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries nga Jordan Yuri ma Palau Law Access Unit nga Antia Nirokobay. Last thing Seoul asano man nga post office. Happy birthday le kor kami rogo Oh.
Santi. Postmaster. Sohol.
Oh, I didn't realize that Santi. No, otherwise known as Santi. Postmaster. Tiamal di sa postal service di sa postmaster. So lang Miss Louie na maklat kaligitan di. Happy birthday more kami rogo dire kalgida amo dia kamo press conference gida mo ikrelara. Mandi so kalmo teal le mal al merenga sulirar arbekel al other belau mle ungirrak elgidat magaloreo by wish them a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ma boyo do yule arage mo ba abud ma baltigereng mga bom kargik. Keep safe mang oy amori atibel kloa umilil di drive safe. Find the driver. Adam. Kadmal diri kam lamoria bulara blur orior mairai. Because I intend to keep people safe. So, ral timring asula Dios ara abeluad, masel gotra arba bringi rogoi, al gel ngia ulduro klil me madal gire da mo dega ula masel dega ula bangaler klar. Kaman msula. Ya de sula mo kami. Ina mo gata.